There seems no end to Chery's reign as the value for money champion in the SUV segment in Australia. In 2024, it smashed it out of the park with both its Tiggo 4 Pro and Tiggo 8 Pro Max models by offering soundly engineered vehicles loaded to the hilt with high-tech features and backed by a comprehensive 7-year warranty, 5-star ANCAP safety rating and unbeatable prices. For 2025, Chery kicks off the year with the new Tiggo 7 Pro Special Edition and Special Edition Plus, which we have here. It's a contemporary design boasting fresh accents, a premium cabin chock full of the very latest technology and features, along with 16 individual advanced driver assist systems on board to help keep you and your family out of harm's way. But here's the real kicker. It's priced from just $29,990 drive away for the generously equipped entry-level SE variant and $33,990 for the top spec SE Plus. That's just extraordinary buying in these challenging financial times we live in, and from a drive-away price perspective, there's nothing even close. Inside, the design is clean and uncluttered, with plenty of soft-touch materials and techno treats on display. You'll love the dual 12.3-inch digital screens for their clarity and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Hello Chery voice assistant, offline satellite navigation and an 8-speaker Sony sound system that's really good. And that's just a small sample of the standard kit you get in the entry-level SE. Plenty of room inside too, especially for rear seat passengers, along with ample boot space with a good load height. But more than that, it looks and feels far more premium than the price might suggest. There's a high level of comfort in here, including these leatherette seats and sporty flat-bottom steering wheel. It feels like genuine Napa leather to me and more comfortable than in many prestige cars. You just sink into these seats with great side bolster too. There are more big-ticket features with the SE Plus, like a power tailgate, full-size panoramic sunroof and heated front seats, just to name a few of the extras. The Tiggo 7 Pro also gets a full-size spare for peace of mind when heading out of town. Behind the wheel, you'll like the punchy performance from its 1.6-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and sporty 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It rewards with effortless cruising on motorways and a surprisingly quiet cabin. And let's not forget about the rest of this compelling offer. Low ownership costs. Just like the entire Chery range, the new Tiggo 7 Pro comes with a 7-year warranty, 7 years roadside assist and 7 years cap price servicing. And what about ride comfort? It's exceptionally good, particularly the way it crushes broken road and absorbs those larger potholes. It's just part of the reason why Chery is fast becoming the top pick in SUVs for Aussie families when it comes to all-round value for money with little or no compromise.